Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel, and this tutorial will show you guys how to install a font on Photoshop. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial video. Without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys how to install a font on Photoshop. So you can get any font from that font, um any site. So these are the fonts I have downloaded so far. So I'm going to pick one, this font. So I'm going to click on it, then click on install. So after clicking on install, yeah, so it has done. So we're going to click on the text tool. So I'm going to write NX design. So NX design, yeah. So we're going to type in. So we're going to type in the name of the font. So let me check the font name. Okay. So the name of the font is accidental something. So this is the font right there. Yeah, you can see it. Let me. Okay. Yeah. So this is the font. Let me enlarge it for you guys to see. Yeah, so you can see the font. So that's it on how to install a font on Photoshop. So one or two things from this tutorial: hit the like button down there. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button down there so that you get notified whenever I drop another tutorial video. See you in my next tutorial.